The best partnerships begin with a conversation. Leaders from across industries come to see our innovation firsthand. They witness our process, meet our team, and share their vision. Together, we turn challenges into solutions and ideas into reality. This is more than a visit, it's the start of a shared success story. Ready to explore what we can achieve together? Reach out to us today and let's start a conversation. Email liu@weldcnc.com. WeChat WhatsApp 008613341109。Send us your project requirements for a free consultation. Get a customized solution and code tailored to your needs.